So yes, David's car.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything trends and entertainment. So, in today's video, we're going to be looking at this new mad truck that Davido just added to his collection. He just randomly came to his Instagram and he posted it. He wrote, "I was bored, so I decided to add a new collection." This cyber truck is said to cost $165,000. 500,000, that is crazy money. And this is one out of the many collections of his various cars. Davido is known to spend a lot of money on his cars and his accessories. Well, that is why he is 001 for a reason. This new collection has caused a lot of people talking because a couple of days ago he purchased a Rolls-Royce Spectra. And this car is said to cost about $544,000, which is approximately 924 million naira. The total of these two cars cost a whopping 1,204,500,000 naira. That is crazy. This is what he has acquired in the past couple of days. Aside that, he acquired a Maybach also this year. A Maybach is also very expensive and is set to cost about $600,000. That is a whopping 1 point something billion naira. I am lost for words and I'm even finding it hard to pronounce these numbers. That's crazy. Davido's car collection is crazy and is definitely one for you to look out for. Here's a short clip of some of his car collections. Take a look.
You see back then, when you first brought this one to Nigeria, it was inspiration for us young guys. And I said to myself, but yeah, we got this is the first day. Then take 2019. I saw it. My baby car. And you see, oh yeah, I swear, you get back there. Yeah, have that one. We got you enough as a week.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. Do not forget to like, share and turn on your post notification for more inspiring videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye for now.